Saquon coming back? Yes, Saquon is back, baby. It's like Giants defense sacks Winston. Fumbled the ball. Buccaneers recover. Tampa Bay in the shotgun. Pitches to Jones. Jones fumbles. Tampa recovers. That's some fucking bullshit. My guy was all over the ball. And again, second fumble on this possession by the Buccaneers, and a goddamn lineman picks the fucking ball up and gets... And again, second fumble on this possession by the Buccaneers, and a goddamn lineman picks the fucking ball up and gets a first down. Cheating ass computer. Jones into the end zone. Tampa Bay. Yes. Number 33. Long bomb to Tate. And it's intercepted in the end zone. Saquon takes it over the middle. Into the end zone, and the Giants jump back in front. Second down and 10 for the Bucks. Jones with the handoff. He's dragging him. He's in the end zone. Tampa Bay snatches back the lead. And Goodwin. Third down and 6 for the Giants. Capone has it. Runs it in. Giants trail 21-17. Barkley gets the pitch. Breaks the tackles. Down the sideline into the end zone. In noise and stuff. You know it's piped in. Evan Ingram peanut butter play. Giants with another 6 on the board. 37-yard pass from Capone to Ingram. Third down and 19 for the Giants. Capone to Chark. DJ Chark. DJ Chark. DJ Chark. DJ Chark. I've been waiting all night to do that. Brissett up top to Hilton. T.Y. Hilton finally. Indianapolis puts some points on the board. 25-yard pass. Barkley with a handoff. Barkley, touchdown.